Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 15 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Nylight or iComfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings. We will begin with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So here let's scroll and find display and brightness. And here scroll to find reading mode. This is the name of the iComfort mode in this device. So let's tap on the switcher at the top, and here we've got two different modes, so the cycle one and classic. Cycle is automatic, so we cannot really customize it, so let me focus on classic. Let's tap on it and tap on this arrow here. So as you can see at the top, we've got the color temperature. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. So of course set it on the intensity which is the most comfortable for you. Here we've got also the texture option. Right now it is turned off, but after going to the right, I'm not sure if you can see it on the screen on the video. However, you have to trust me that now we've got this paper-like texture applied to the background. So I believe it will be quite comfortable when you're, for example, reading something on the screen, etc. And if you wish to have this book-like, I don't know, feeling or something, you can turn it off completely just by going to the left. Here we've got also the colors. So we've got three modes. We can display full color. So as you can see on this reference, colors on the color temperature switcher, they are quite vibrant. I mean, they are pastel, but or maybe on this restore default it is bright red. We can also display light colors. So as you can see right now, this restore default is a little bit dull and washed out. Same here, however, they are still pastel-like. And we can display everything in black and white manner. So as you can see, even the home screen will be black and white. All right. So I think I prefer full colors. Okay, so this is the manual customization of the reading mode. We can also schedule that feature just by using the switcher. We can either set a custom period, so you can freely choose the start and the end time, and then your device will apply the mode accordingly, or you can set good night's read, and your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, and then it will apply the mode. So this is how it works, and if you wish to have much faster access to this feature, so you do not have to go through the settings, etc., all you have to do is to unroll the top bar, and here we have to find a proper toggle, and right now it's quite tricky because we do not have any labels, and the icons are not really intuitive, I would say. So let's simply tap on edit, and here try to find whether we've got it here or not. If not, just scroll here to the system toggles, localize reading mode, and tap on this plus icon. It will appear at the top. Tap on this tick icon, and here we've got our reading mode. So simply tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.